What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new vlog for today, and we got some cool stuffs. I've got some cool stuffs right over here. I have to minimize my voice right now is because other people is sleeping in the house, so right, so that's why I don't have to get my voice so big right now. So okay, here it goes guys. I got some new stuffs for you. I got some new stuff to showcase it for you if you're interested for this one, right? So I got some new interesting stuffs for today. So okay, I'm gonna start up with the small one. So I got right here, so got them right here, and it's also, and got some another charging brick from Anchor. Okay, and also I got some Instaprint digital camera. Okay, and also a toy collection. And yes, it is a toy collection with a Charmander. All right, and then and also got some Ninja Turtles Funko Pop, right? So mini Funko Pop Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So I just say, all right, here it goes. So without further ado, let's gonna start it up. And also I'm gonna share it today another side of the ankle so that you will see all of the stuffs. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna start up with this one. Okay, I'm gonna start up with this I think this is Donatello, right? Okay, so I think this is Donatello. Okay, let's go gonna check it out. Okay, yes, oh nice, oh perfect. This also, I love Ninja Turtles, right? I also love Ninja Turtles, so I'm gonna have to, okay, we've got some right here. If we need to take it off, okay, got that one right over here. Okay, I have to, so I'm gonna have to take this off. Okay, gonna have to, here it goes, then she goes like that one. So we got some, yeah, okay, it's Michelangelo, so it's Mikey, right? It's Mikey. So and then he got some, what is this? Okay, he got some, his, and which is kind of, oops, sorry, okay, and which is gonna be put into his hands, right? So just like that. Okay, gonna put into his hands. Okay, yeah. Okay, to put it like that. And then also the other one is also gonna be put into like that. You got that nice, right? So we got that Michelangelo with his accessories, right? So okay, I'm gonna have to put that one, I'm gonna put that one over there. So let's go. Gonna check this out. So this is the Anchor Series 5. This is 521 charger Nano Pro to USB-C, right? So what I buy this one is this for my wireless charging. Okay, so it's because I need to, for my, since my other charging brick is only have a one USB-C. This is the USB-C PD, and also the other one is a USB-A. So I need to USB-C so that I can separate charge my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE and my Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, right? So okay, here it goes. Yes, so nice. Oh, look at that, so glossy, right? This is so glossy. Okay, and this is my first time to have a anchor products, right? Perfect. Okay, and this I bought from, so this also I bought from Walmart, right? Perfect for me to have this. Nice, and also really love it. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna have to put that one over there. So and then I'm gonna have to get back this. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this back. I'm gonna have to put this back on, and then yeah, get some user manual. Okay, so gonna have to step aside first. Okay, and also right over here, as also I've got some night eyes. Okay, this one is a good carabiner also. So we've got the number 2, number 3, and the number 4. So number 4 is 75 pounds, number 3 is 25 pounds, number 2 is also 10 pounds, right? So 4.5 kilograms, right? And then 11 kilograms, and we've got some 34 kilograms. Okay, let's move on and check this out. Okay, nice. Yes, it has a nice, right? So I'm gonna have to okay, take that off. Okay, I'm gonna have to take it off first. Okay, and then there it goes. All right, so okay, right over here we've got some, yes, we got some like that one. Okay, and then another one is the bigger one, right? So perfect, I love it. So, and also the smaller one, will you look at that? Nice, right? Perfect, nice. I really love it. It's perfect. Night Eyes brand. So I bought this from the Harbor Freight, right? So they got some bunch of EDC gadgets in the Harbor Freight or Freight. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna have to put it back there, and then okay, let's go gonna check this Charmander right over here. And since I already have a Charizard, so I also have now a Charmander, which is okay, right? So let's go gonna have to check it out so that you will see. Okay, gonna have to open this up. Okay, and then let's check this Charmander over here. And, oops. Okay, so here it goes. I'm gonna have to go back I'm gonna have to go, yes, put that back on. I'm gonna have to okay, gonna have to put it back on. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to get back this one right over here. And I have to keep the box also. Yes, I have another box right here for EV, right? So, okay, and then here it goes. I've got a Charmander. Nice, I really love it. Nice. Okay, look at that. So Pokemon, and I bought this on Walmart, right? Nice, really love it. Okay, nice, like it. Okay, loved it. And then also we got into the last one. We've got here the Vivitar Instaprint digital camera. So it has some photo and video selfie sensor, 12 megapixel, 4 games. Oh, we got some 4 games. Prints over 200 pictures. Yes, and then what is in here is the digital camera. So take photos and videos, instant printing, print out your best memories. We've got some film right over here. So yeah, we got some film for games included. So okay, let's go. Gonna have to open this up, right? Okay, how to open this? Okay, here it goes. Then okay, here it goes. So here we go. We got the Insta Vivitar Insta Print, and we've got some roll over here, and they also got some strap. We're gonna have to, you know. Okay, let's go. Gonna have to unbox it up. Okay. So right here we've got some